Hey folks, so I wanted to do a little mail call video. In the last couple weeks I've been pouring through eBay and I look for deals on eBay at the same time. I generally try to find stuff under $5. Sometimes I see something nice that I'd like to have and I'll go above and beyond the $5 limit that I set for myself. These are 5 packages that I received in the last 2 weeks. This one, see what we got here. I've already opened all the packages. I'm not trying to bore you with that. So this is a crown. I've sold these myself on eBay, and the prices have come down drastically in the last 6 months. That doesn't mean that they're not rare or valuable. It just means that I think those that wanted them initially have paid through the nose for them, and now the ones that are left over are easier to come by, cheaper prices. Now this one is actually in pretty good shape, but it's circulated, and there is a little bit of damage up in around the lettering E pluribus unum. Now I don't know if that's part of the damage from the dye or just from circulation. Anyway, I got this one for a song, $12.50 plus shipping. I think I ended up paying $17.50. So I gotta believe this is one of the lowest priced crowns that have ever been sold on eBay, and I got it because I've been diligently searching every night for this type of error. And when I find something that's low priced, I put a bid in. I didn't have to rebid. This one just somehow snuck through with no competition. I believe I got it with only 2 bids on it. It may have something to do when the coin was listed and what day it goes off. So, you know, sometimes you can catch a deal. It's not the best of condition, but it's in pretty good shape, and I'll take it. It is definitely going into my collection. Next, I paid $5 shipping on here. Yes, this is the 3-cent nickel or dime, the 1881. It has lots of detail on it. I would say it's probably somewhere around VG40. Now I paid $20 for this. I think I might have overpaid because I didn't realize, you know, I think I was looking at the wrong numbers when I looked it up in my books, and I thought it was worth more than that, but it was right on the money. $20 is about what it's worth. You know, if you go into a coin shop, they should be able to give you $20, or if you were going to resell it. So I didn't make any money on it, but that's not always the intention. I just thought it was in pretty good shape, and I really love the design. You know, it's 1881, folks. It's 150 years old. So, yeah, we'll take it. 140 years. And I think I got this one for 20 plus shipping, so about $25. This is from Auction Kings. Now, they have a wonderful way of displaying their coins that make them look especially fantastic, and is quite the value. Where'd it go? There it is. So I bought this war nickel, 1942, Philadelphia mint. There's a little bit of crud in the pockets around the lettering and stuff like that, which makes me think it's been kind of cleaned up. But you know what? Still in very good shape, and I think I paid $6 for this one or something. But yeah, when you look at the image in the listing, it makes it look like it's like a mint shape, you know, MS65. Anyway, it's still a nice coin, and you can't go wrong with a war nickel. They're a couple bucks, even in the worst condition. So I'll take it. I'll add it to my collection. Next up, what did I get here? Oh, you know what? And that's the one thing I wanted to mention. This gentleman included a shipper, which basically, you know, didn't happen on those first 3 things that I show you. They didn't include shipper any information other than the labels. And so I do like the fact that you get the shipper with it, packing slip, and you know, sometimes the image is also included right next to the description. But that's I'm moving it around really fast so you can't focus on the name. But yeah, I paid $3.50 for this, free shipping. What did I get? A partial crown. So this one has the crown. It's not the crown, okay? There's a lot of confusion on the net. Some people think that the hat, the tricon that George Washington is wearing in this image is a crown. The crown is the die chip that actually sits on top of the tricon and makes it look like he has a crown or a royal crown. Blue Ridge calls it a hamburger. So, you know, it's very noticeable to the naked eye. This is a pretty big chip, and that's the reason why I buy it. I buy anything that's half the size of the crown, front or back. I'll buy them. And, you know, if I can get this for $3.50, I'm buying it all day long. So I think I got a pretty good deal. And the coin is actually in pretty good shape. 2021, Washington crossing the Delaware, Philadelphia Mint. Partial crown in the rear of the tricon. Pretty good deal. I'll take from Daniel Grist. He also sent the shipper, so that's good. I like that. Appreciate that. Thank you so much for that. This is a buffalo nickel. Now, in the listing, and I'll show you pictures, you can clearly see that that's been nickedated. That was not apparent in the listing, and it wasn't noted in the listing that it was nickedated. But it's a 1916D, which has some value. Much more than the 99 cents with free shipping that I paid for this. So the thing is, the listing was a little deceptive, but you know what? It's still worth 99 cents. And I'm happy to pay the 99 cents. So I'm not really complaining, but this was not apparent in the listing. And so I'll show you the listing photos next. All right, so that's the buffalo nickel. That was 99 cents with shipping. Gotta love it. I got another pack of Coin Mojo channel stickers. I ran out because I always include a channel sticker in every item I sell on eBay. I am giving them away, and you can write me at Coin Mojo, Post Office Box 147, Gregory, Michigan, 48137, and I will send you a sticker if you're interested. We're going to go through the listings. Here is the frontal crown. $598 was my total payment. Here's this was in the listing photo. That's what it looked like in the listing. And it matched pretty much. The coin was as described or as photographed. Here's the front of it. Not too bad. Definitely circulated. This is the $678 is what I paid for that war nickel. And it looks a lot nicer than the one I received. They obviously are using a stock photo. Nice and shiny. But the one I received is a little bit duller and has a little bit of dirt between the letters. I'm okay with it, though. This is the buffalo nickel listing, 99 cents. And this buffalo nickel is worth $7, not nickedated in that condition. But still, it's okay. This is the stock photo, or the photo from the listing, and the photo is rather dark, and so it kind of washed out that nickedate. Here's the photo of the 3-cent nickel. It's not a trime though. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty much what it's definitely the nickel I received, or the 3-cent nickel that I received. And only wear up in the upper left-hand corner of the Roman numeral. This is the 350 rear of the crown, which in pretty good shape. Definitely a 3. I feel like I got a pretty good value on this one. This die chip goes into the E, which makes it significant, right? Because it's partially obscuring the word E pluribus unum. And it's not in too bad a shape, not too much nicking. This full crown, I mean, I got a sweet deal, $12.50 plus shipping, $17.25 total. As you can see, there's some nicks and stuff around the letter E beyond the crown die chip. So I don't know, what's up with that. I don't care. I got it for a song. It's okay. I'll take it. And this is what it looks like in the holder that it came in. All right, I wanted to take some time and show you some of these other coins that I purchased earlier this year. These are the larger front of the tricon partial crown. This may be the beginning of the full crown that we're finding here in Michigan. I believe most of these came from Tennessee. That's one. Here's another. And I paid between $5 and $15 a piece for these. It's nice when you can get them for $5. But some of them, you know, the first one that I bought was 14, then I got one for 10, and then I got 3 of them for under $6. And again, I think this is the origin of the full crown. And I'm not finding them here in Michigan. I am finding the full crowns, but not the half crowns or partials. So that's it. All right. As I mentioned, not only am I an eBay buyer, but I am a seller, and you can find me here at JDK Collectibles. You can also check me out on Facebook at Coin Mojo's Coin Roll Hunting. Give me those 4 clicks if you like what you see. Also, like, subscribe, hit that bell, comment, and share. All important. I would like to see more comments. I mean, if you like the video, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. Check out some of my other videos here on the left. Coin Mojo out.